Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to private sheet convert to public sheet and sheet share to WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the sheet. You can see top right corner share. Share, click on it. Step 2. Restricted, click on it. And you can see anyone with the link, click on it. Step 3. You can share this sheet, or you can share it with viewers, or you can share it with editors, or you can share it with commentators, or you can share it with us. Step 4. Done, click on it. The sheet has been made public. Now it's time to share it on WhatsApp. Go to share top right corner. And you can see copy link, click on it. Step 5. Copying is bad for WhatsApp. Or send the link to whoever you want. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.